back into time.
And you don't stop, you got the rhythm that make the mommy rock out. Yeah, and you don't stop, you got the rhythm that makes your fingers rock.
Yeah. What we're gonna do right here is go back, way back into time.
Do I make you horny? So